Hi, nice to see you again. I hope you're having a good day today. In today's video, we're going to cover two of the most difficult consonant sounds in English, and as in teeth and teeth. Here they are in the IPA chart. Many English learners have problems with these two sounds because they don't exist in their native languages. These sounds are also difficult because even though they are two different sounds, they are spelled exactly the same way. However, like other pairs of consonant sounds, and the take the same mouth position, is unvoiced and the is voiced. Let me demonstrate what the two vowels sound like. Listen carefully. Can you hear the difference? Okay, let's start by learning how to pronounce the sound. To produce the sound, slightly open your mouth, put the tip of your tongue between your upper and lower front teeth, and bite very gently, like this. Then release a stream of air through the gap between your teeth and your tongue. If you do it correctly, you make a sound like this. Remember to keep the air flowing. Is an unvoiced sound, so you won't feel any vibrations in your vocal cords. Please give it a try now. Excellent job! Okay, we'll continue with the other sound in the pair. To produce the sound, the positions of your lips, tongue, and teeth are exactly the same as for. Slightly open your mouth and put the tip of your tongue between your upper and lower front teeth and bite very gently. Then release the air through the gap between your teeth and your tongue. Remember to keep the air flowing. Remember, unlike the sound is voiced, so you can feel a vibration in your vocal cords. Please try it now. Wonderful! Let's try making these two sounds using our three-stage technique. One last time. Now it's your turn to pronounce the sound. Try to make both sounds right after one another. Keep your mouth in the same position and just open and close your larynx. Do it with me. Ready? Here we go. Relax a bit and then keep practicing until you're perfect. All right, let's practice the sounds with words. Here we go. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Teeth. Teeth. Thank. Then. Let's say them back to back. Teeth. Teeth. Thank. Then. Now let's say the words again and try doing it with rising and falling intonations. Don't forget to repeat after me. Teeth. 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 Thank. Thank. Then. Fantastic! F and V are spelt the same way, with the letters TH. Here are some examples of thanks, triathlon, and teeth. And some examples of V are this, neither, and smooth. However, V can be followed with a silent E, spelled THE, as in breathe, soothe, and bathe. The spelling of these sounds is tricky, right? But there are two ways to solve this problem. First, when you learn a word with the letters TH, you should also learn whether it's a voiced or unvoiced sound. Second, you can use a dictionary whenever you are not sure. Here is something you should remember to pronounce the two sounds correctly. Firstly, remember to slide your tongue forward enough to rest between your teeth. Don't keep it in your mouth, or else will sound like S and V will sound like Z. Listen. Think, sink. Think, sink. With, whiz. With, whiz. Say them after me, please. Think, sink. With, whiz. Secondly, don't stop the airflow between your tongue and the top front teeth. Otherwise, may sound like T and V will sound like D. Listen to my example. Thank, tank. Thank, tank. They, day. They, day. Please repeat after me. Thank, tank. They, day. Finally, keep your lips relaxed and still. Don't let your lower lip touch your top front teeth, or else f will sound like f and v will sound like v. Listen carefully. Thin, fin. Thin, fin. Than, than. Than, than. Please give them a try. Repeat after me. Thin, fin. Than, than. Ultimately, the correct position of your tongue is between your top and bottom teeth. Well done! That's it for the instructions. Let's move on to the more interesting part, using the sounds in words and sentences. Have fun! Bye!